Hello. Welcome to Plagiarism in Academic Research. My name is Lalatendu Bidyadhara Kumar Barik, and I will be your instructor for this course. The purpose of this course is to help you recognizing and solving plagiarism issue that arises in your research pathway. Your research is one of the first thing which have a direct impact on your research journey. Plagiarism-free and error-free contents in your research substantially enrich your impact in the scholar world. The Plagiarism in Academic Research course program is designed to provide you with in-depth knowledge and skills needed to understand plagiarism, ways to avoid and remove plagiarism in your research, especially overcoming the plagiarism barrier in the research world. This course is to help you gain adequate knowledge and skills with practical exposure to solve plagiarism issues in your research work. The format of the course is a series of lectures with an emphasis on practical learning. Lectures are interactive and introduce the key conceptual issues as well as giving practical guidance. The course covers a variety of issues related to plagiarism in research, from its meaning, to typology, to detection and removal, to its implications. The course enables you to select appropriate methods to overcome the plagiarism barrier, especially you could avoid and remove plagiarism in your thesis or research paper. The course has the dual aims of equipping students with conceptual understanding of plagiarism scenario in academic research and the practical skills to put different techniques into practice. To get started in this course, you will need to begin by reading the course syllabus and starts the course module. The course syllabus link is given in the description below. Also, you have to review the technical requirements for this course module. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what to expect in the course. We are going to start learning about understanding plagiarism, what is plagiarism and different types of plagiarism, thereafter focusing on text plagiarism detection and removal using automated technology, nextly, plagiarism detection and removal of illustrations such as charts, graphs, figures, and tables. Then we will discuss source code plagiarism detection and removal. Afterwards, finally we will focus on plagiarism perspective and consequences, such as why it happened, penalties and punitive trends associated with plagiarism, etc. These are fundamental and very basic. We will concentrate on available detection and most spectacular removal techniques of plagiarism. This course should benefit anyone who are connected in research area including individuals, undergraduates, masters, scholars, and researchers. Additionally, you will be given the opportunity to test your knowledge through interactive quizzes and assignments at the end of each lecture. Although this is a free course, there is a course completion certification associated with this, however you can test your learning through quizzes and assignment. If you have any questions or concerns about any issues related to this course, please feel free to contact through comment box. I will look forward to meeting with you online. We will be utilizing YouTube comment box as our discussion forum to help you discuss. I hope that you will enjoy this course, and I will look forward to having you in the class. Thank you.